The new Corolla Cross. Fill it with friendship and family. The new Corolla Cross. Filled with life.
It is KTV powered by World Sports Betting. It is KTimes.co.za. Match day 20 with Betway Premiership for this season. Got 2025-2026 at the Orlando Amstel Arena. Orlando Pirates picking up 3 points in making sure good Bavala like kept. Remember there was a game yesterday where Sundowns, the defending champions, won by 2-0 against the Orbit. Namhlanje Orlando Pirates had to have the answers. And there were questions by Richards Bay. Orlando Pirates answered. They replied. They won by 2-0. When we go now, Mdlalo Junior.
Shane Maprada kunjani? Ngibulise justify. Ngibulise kululeko Maprada. Ngibulise Benedict Vilakazi, ngibulise Bobzini. Shane now ngibulise Maprada kunjani?
I'm okay, my brother. I'm okay.
Ebafethu kunjani? Keep on supporting Diski TV, fighting no one, try to fix South African football. Yeah, I mfetle game emnandi. Yeah, I say game easy Shane. Game easy is ayikho. I think some of the teams are very exciting. Ikasuk, I think it's not dealing by showing people how to beat Orlando Pirates. Sometimes it's not all about how you spend money. It's how you structure your team, how you coach your team. Well done to Papi and his technical team. Well done to Orlando Pirates for winning. Marabo referee by motion.
What happened, Junior?
Iskele. Mina iskele mgibi iskele.
What happened, Junior?
Daylight robbery.
Ukalagani, Junior? Tell us straight.
Oh, ile tracksuit take it.
No, forget the tracksuit. Ukalagani exactly.
Shame.
Ukalagani.
Axi penalty.
With
These guys, they kicked the ball, both of them. But have ball with you. And the worst part, men being expected to tembela skakani. Njoba bamstela, who evident to reverse that foul against Orlando Pirates. So these guys were carry ball and then the referee put people. He's killing. I mean, le game be mnandi. Very beautiful game. Not the easy game for Orlando Pirates, but Pirates have got quality more than these guys. Marang complimenta we should game in overall. Yabo. But to referee, it's not a penalty. Just to show game J. My decision with that is not a penalty.
The first one?
Which one?
The one Gambotum. Early in the second
That's
half.
a penalty.
That's a penalty.
Not first half. I think it's a second
No,
half.
I'm telling early in the second half.
That's one. It's a penalty.
Yeah.
Yabona le ushule bamchura.
Yeah.
Aye, that's a penalty. To reference.
Or the second one is the one ungavumelana.
Yeah, angivumelani naye. A very difficult game for Orlando Pirates, but well done to Orlando Pirates. Sometimes you'll meet such games. I think the game they were nashing. It's in compliment Abu Papi by I think the Weber structure team yabo corner. Well done to this guy Mtembu. Mchecho in the midfield. Uzikali. Well done, they work so hard. Young Kutas, I think. If you see midfield search, Anjangalawa, without high profile, how they structure that midfield, how they complement one another. I think it's team a spark. Any defense about the back four. Well done with ba. I think after game, it's in game Chiefs. Starting from there, I need to be honest.
Yeah.
A different team fit to compare first round of the season, different team. Very exciting. I mean, this boy, Okumet, if he play this way, he's not gonna stay here forever.
You mean
I'm talking about the number 17, 12 or 17.
Yeah, you mean come the end of the season there might be teams as no
Yes, the boy if not good season elandelayo. Okay, le angahlala but January next year the boy if he continue to this. Whatever the boy is doing la corner, boy keep it up. I think he's doing so great. It was a battle between him and Smith. Ngithandile le battle bemnandi kakhulu. Yabo 1v1, sometimes you win it, sometimes you lose it. So you could see who's the attacker, who's the defender. So being a question and answers and well done. I think football imele be so. So ngithandile le battle ka Smith nalo mfana kumete. Going to game yonke. I think structures a team yabo. Mangithi Abu Papi. They never allow one on the Pirates to build up at the back.
Yeah.
They pressed. They make sure they targeted certain players. They targeted him. They targeted Apolis. They targeted this guy, Maswangani. Let everybody have the ball. Also make sure Orlando Pirates here central they can play. Force Orlando Pirates to go wide. I don't mind Otto. I think Abu Papi coaching Abu Tagalbambi politician making. I'm shy. And for sure, what the decision making, we need to be honest, he's a hardworking, experienced player. He's so dedicated and sponsor, but decision making, we need to be honest, velem tabule. Yeah, ngelanga lakho wotu zokubamba ngiwe khona true. But I think the strategy with okay, we rather sim allow tabeni bola, but we don't have to allow. ukuthi mhlawumbe apolice abe nebhola urile bkhole Mfokeng abe nebhola uTito Masonganya after
And they did that, allowing Mfokeng to have a ball, because leading to that first goal, as Bausic Uguti, they targeted second players, but I think maybe they lost concentration because Rele had that ball, gave it to Sibelebele, Apolis finishes. So I think that was a mistake, Yabo, to allow them quite dangerous area. But Paris created the goal. It came from there.
No, I think compliment the Pirates for interchange of position. I think upegu really receive the ball go right wing back, right wing forward. La usibelebele la kumele ngabe apolice ukhona apolice. Look usibelebele kuphi kule run interchange of position. Bese ubhekwa police la finisher khona ukuthi kuphi interchange of position. That's what compliment, because abantu maba stereotype kanje ba static bahamba one on one. Vele you need interchange of position. That's how you gonna beat them, to confuse them ngama position. Ngoba la bekufuneka ama player kwazi ukudlala off the ball, which is really. That's why him ubheke na leya pass, he runs off the ball, what drafter wide sideways, and then he received that ball. Eating imshayile izandla mfana shayile leya pass yabo. Not every player uzoyishaya leya pass. I mean leya ball line bephela. So good ball mfethu, and no leya mfana ushayile leya pass akusi pass okudlala leya inkunzi pass le, and good run also Sibelebele. And nokuthi iPirates check when they go wide, they don't cross the ball to the goalkeeper. Ama square pass, ama pass. Always they score ngabantu abaza from deep. Ucheck na le ball leona le lalikorayo. A police, he scored from deep. Amagolo abanje. Mawunga check indlela bakora ngayo. When they go wide, they don't put between goalkeeper and defense. No, but put la ku penalty spot, and then lelo bola liba dangerous. And the worst part lamba pants. And the bola eli very dangerous. See any police ball. Lelo even the defender face ipala del corrisa speed. So I think he can be tight ngalo ndlela ukuthi he needed to really individual brilliance yakhe to draft on the right hand side, receiver le bola where la pass. No kuyibona vision. And good pass from Mfana, a forward pass, and good run from Sibelebele. Joba ngisho interchange of passing, good finish from a police. I think, but these guys never had the attitude. Nkhuluma nge-Richards Bay. They play quick. They close on the Pirates, and one thing for sure, it's like 6 weeks. Bengatis a small-sided game. They had to lose the ball. These guys, like the way they were playing, we defend, and when we got the ball, we can't lose the ball. It's just it's a quality of players. Last state, many decide in front of Ipad, Gulabi but decide wrong corner. Nenye intabo papa bayenze umahala by playing umahala ahead of this guy Nox Mtizo. It's a big mistake, I think, Abu Papi. A mistake technically they need to fix it.
He came in and gave Orlando Pirates problems, Nox Mtizo.
Experienced player. Technically, is very good, clever player as well. I mean, Richards playing, I compliment because Banama ball players. I mean, they've got ball players. They don't play with second ball. Since compliment Abu Papi in faith. Whatever they're doing, they must continue. It's a matter of time is going to come. How they play in faith, made a special. But Orlando Pirates in faith. Because team is tight guys, if they uzomi chama game, so you need quality of players. Well done, Jobangisho Minar Mfokeng. He came to the party, and honestly speaking, these guys. I think one need is Orlando Pirates will give a very tight game, honestly, because certain players at Orlando Pirates not functioning. I mean, we saw this guy dropping from deep. Guys, number 10, not to number 10, because sort of for number 8. Masongani come back, drop azoba deep. Also Makhehle not complimenting Umbatha. Umbatha can be a defensive midfield, also attacking midfield. You can't master the two. This boy is over, like we are overworked, we are training over. Makhehle ni begumuntu osishafile man. This boy, we link between the defense and attack.
Do you think, Junior, there were players namhlanje phake Orlando Pirates? Okay, I mentioned Mr. Orlando before. I mean, I think 5 or 10 minutes into the game, Orlando Pirates might have a problem if 1 or 2 players have an off day in namhlanje. Do you think there were players business off day in namhlanje? Players, let me say, players that step up to the authority namhlanje.
Let me tell you, Shane, the second round of the season, you need experienced players. That's number one. Secondly, you need everybody to function. You need a teamwork. A team need to function. Yes, we bring individual players there, but majority, you need a team effort. Everybody needs to be involved. so that it was good, whatever that we're trying to do, he function. Because now, remember the second round, these guys they believe good top 8 singadlala. So in today's game, all right, certain players they targeted certain players. And well done. Also, don't forget who we are. We don't have to forget who we are. Akumelanga sikhohlwe into esiyiyo. Well done, whatever ebayenza senkhuluma nge-training session, you can tell abopapa badlala ibhola. Labo 6v6 badlala 5v5. How they keep ibhola. Compliment. These ukuzala arena. I mean, you get hiding, but they were playing open game, and well done to that. It's just that Orlando Pirates, obviously, high-profile team, and as ngisho goal number 2 questionable from the referee. Mina referee wenze blanda kakhulu, but well done to Orlando Pirates. I think ukuthi batholile ngoba ukorela goal 3 point is very important. How they win, sometimes it's not matter because second round njengoba ngisho shini psychology. You need to be strong mentally. You need to have a strong character. Each and every game mandlala. If it's, you guys are all on the Pirates, we play against, we're selling ourselves. We want to wear your jersey. So it's a mountain to climb, but you can't make excuse. Even Sundowns when they play. I mean, people want to. So it's only low block if they play. So if you're a big team, you need to do what Pirates did. And well done to Orlando Pirates because abantu mabadlala ba tight kanje vele mele bring why we call you a big team. So well done to Orlando Pirates.
Thank you so much, Junior. That's Junior Kanye, former Kaizer Chiefs midfielder. Besibukele kunye lo mdlalo ke Orlando Pirates. Lapho ke Orlando Pirates yaphumelela khona ke ngo-2-0 goal by Ozwin Apollos and a penalty, late penalty by Evidence Mahopa. Orlando Pirates 2, Richards Bay 0. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.